internet, but you don't seem to forget about yourself. And the seas, how it's all connected. The flowers and the birds and leaves, then all the lights, yeah, we're all affected.
Good afternoon, friends, viewers. How are you doing today? I'm doing fantastic out here at La Balandra Beach. Just about 20 minutes south of La Paz. Man, oh man. Having a great time. Having a great time. Water's about, I don't know, 70 Fahrenheit. Air temperature, I'd say about plus 28. Not many people on the beach. It's the mid of the week. Best time to come, of course. But yeah, having a great time out here. I think I'm gonna go to the cooler and have a cerveza. Hasta luego. Hola, amigas, amigos. Malecón Manny here. Hey, thanks for joining my channel. I am in La Balandra Beach here, just outside of La Paz, just south of La Paz. Great day today. I'd say maybe about, I don't know, a couple hundred people here maybe. Got here around 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're here till about 4:45. That's when we're supposed to be leaving by, as per the park agents here. So it's been a great day at the beach. The water is very, very warm. It's about, I don't know, 70 degrees Fahrenheit, and no, it's been perfect. You can see there's a whole bunch of tents, palapa tents here available. If you come down real quick, you can jump on one of those. Me and Mrs. Malecon and a couple of friends that we met from B.C. We're here today, and we grabbed one and a couple of umbrellas we've rented also. So it's been a fantastic day. Yeah, you can drink on the beach. You can have your lunch here on the beach. I've seen some dogs also running around, so it's been great. So if you're ever in the area, you gotta check it out. Hey, and just before I sign off here, I'm gonna be putting up my drone. You can see people up there too, eh? You can climb up on those hills there and take some beautiful pictures of Balandra Beach and the Bay of La Paz. And it's a little breezy here today, but you know what? With the mountain range around here, it really cuts down on the breeze. Like there's an opening right there, which is coming right at me, but it's not that bad. They also mentioned to be aware of stingrays as you're walking along, right? So keep in groups if you're coming into the water. I'm by myself here, but I got pretty good eyesight, 20/20, and I've been being very cautious. But definitely recommend this beach. Also, shit, I forgot to tell you guys. So you can come in the mornings, like there's two sessions. When you come to Balandra Beach, there's two sessions. There's one from 8 till like noon. They allow so many people in, and then in the afternoon from 1 to 5 o'clock. But they want you to depart around 4:45. So there's two sessions. They only allow so many vehicles in because the parking lot only is so big, right? I don't see any vendors here, food vendors. So definitely recommend packing up a cooler and bring some food, refreshments, water, beers if you like beers or whatever. And yeah. It looks like the tide's pulling out too. That's cool. Okay, guys, take care. Beautiful time out here today. Really enjoyed it. A few more people showed up, but other than that, water is beautiful. Whatever you do, keep hydrated. That's what Malecon's doing. Anyways, see you on the next one. Hasta luego. Hey, Snoozy. That's gonna be 20 pesos for rent. Where's your 20 pesos?
All along, I feel like you need your space. Prisoner in your own home that ain't great. But I know that you and me are safe. We'll finally get away. Say